Welcome to the Daily Insights That Matter. Now, we've been discussing Apple extensively and for good reason. The recent visit of Apple CEO Tim Cook to India has generated a lot of excitement. Now, during this visit, he inaugurated the first Apple exclusive store in Mumbai and interacted with customers. He was also seen eating vada pav with Madhuri Dixit, and he also plans to meet with the Prime Minister of India. Now, this international trip is a clear indication that India has become a significant strategic focus for Apple. Apple has been operating in India for more than 25 years, selling its products through authorized retailers and the website which it launched a few years ago. Now, there's been talk about the company's first owned store in the country since 2019, but due to regulatory concerns and the pandemic, the launch of the company-owned store was delayed. Now, Apple has opened its first flagship store in Mumbai, and another one is expected to open in Delhi on April 20th, 2023. This is a much anticipated launch that highlights the company's glowing aspirations to expand in India, and it also hopes to turn into a potential manufacturing hub. Now, it comes as no surprise that Apple sees India not just as a large market, but also as a global hub for manufacturing and for innovation. Apple considers India as a crucial market due to several factors, including the untapped potential of the market, the opportunities to grow beyond China, and the government's incentives and the relaxed regulations. The government has highlighted a vision of 30% penetration of EVs in the collective auto market by 2030. So, is the current trend of penetration by the EVs in line with this vision? Let's find out. Now, at the national level, India achieved a penetration of 2.5% by the end of March 2023, as reported by FADA. On a company level, the penetration ranges from 11% to 25% on the sales numbers as reported by auto manufacturers, while Tata Motors, which is the biggest manufacturer of electric passenger vehicles, saw the share of EV sales in its domestic portfolio doubled to 16% in March from 8 to 9% which was seen in the previous months. MG Motors saw the EV penetration rise to 11%. Citroën, the French car maker, which is a new entrant in the Indian auto manufacturing space, saw a 21% penetration of EVs in their product segment. Luxury car maker Volvo also saw a 25% penetration of their model, the XC40 Recharge, as compared to the sales of its other models. Now, the world of electric vehicles is seeing some exciting developments. With the recent price cuts on products and the launch of relatively affordable models, electric vehicle manufacturers have surpassed initial expectations in terms of the market penetration. This has been coupled with a significant ramp up in production made possible by better availability of semiconductors, which has helped to meet the growing demand. Now, consumers are now able to enjoy the benefits of the electric vehicles without breaking the bank, as manufacturers have responded to the market demand for more affordable options. This has made electric vehicles more accessible to a wider range of consumers, contributing to the overall growth of the industry. The example on point being the Nexon EV, where Tata has taken a significant cut on the price. Furthermore, with the increase in production, electric vehicle manufacturers have been able to scale their operations and meet the needs of more consumers. Now, this has led to a greater convenience and faster delivery times, making electric vehicles a more viable and attractive option for consumers who are looking to make the switch from traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. Having said that, the government must continue to support the EV adoption via consumer and producer incentives and the regulatory support as well. Additionally, India's charging infrastructure will need to significantly expand to support the projected volume of EVs on the road going forward. So, what does all of this news mean for you? With the opening of these stores, Apple is placing great importance on India as a significant market for sales and an alternative hub for manufacturing instead of China. This will have an indirect positive impact on you. The combination of price cuts and increased production has helped the EV industry to gain significant momentum and push forward in the transition to a more sustainable and environment-friendly future. Additionally, the underlying pull for EVs should remain strong, further aided by the efficient pricing. This will also therefore have an indirect positive impact on you. While I say this is Raj Mehta signing off, wishing you and your loved ones the very best. Thank you.
Did you like watching this video? Then download our app Informed Investor to watch more such informative and interesting videos.